Joined all of us with the usual witty way. Thank you. I now invite Selva to address the gathering.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I'm always given the toughest task here. Maran always comes up with a very motivational speech, and then Ratna comes up with a witty or candid presentation and makes everybody unwind. And I give the reality actually. It's a very dull presentation and a lousy presentation anyway. But I'm happy for my friends and colleagues. They always do their best. And George is never in the equation anyway. George comes and presents something else and he just goes and relaxes. That's good. But anyway, it's a circle. Each one of us are tasked to do certain work, and I hope we complement each other here. And we are always there to shoulder responsibilities, even if the other is not able to take for any other reasons. I've been with CAR for the past 2 years. With this March, I think I'm completing 2 years. So the first year was a difficult year for the entire company. Basically, I was also getting adjusted to this environment of working, and it was very challenging year for the operations perspective, because we were running. That was a year of recession, so we had a lot of challenges financially and in terms of execution wise. So, but then this current year, FY12 is really a very good year for us. We've grown 40% in spite of all the global challenges, which is really a good thing. Very rarely we see a startup company, at the time of difficult years, during the time of difficult years, most of the companies, startup companies, they close shop and then they go and do something else. But then, we have grown year on year at least 50% since inception. I think the average of 70 to 80% since the inception we have grown. Last year it was like 40%. So we have done extremely very well. So, and we have also started 2 operations. Basically one in Qatar and then another one in US. Karthik did a wonderful job in opening an account for us. The sales team did very well. So we have started operations in Qatar and in US as well. Last year we have also improved the profitability level of all the ongoing projects. So now we have a very clear tracking system for all the expenses being made in the organization. So every rupee being spent, is being tracked by our accounting colleagues, and we have turned around all those projects as well. So this year looks better in terms of profitability. We have also started other initiatives like quality initiatives to improve, customers' service delivery, and also, go the last mile with the customer. So certain initiatives were made last year, even though it is not, a big step. We have made some baby steps. So that was one achievement last year, and we have also hired with the help of my TMAC team. We have also nurtured young talents into the organization, brought in about 20 to 25 consultants, and we are grooming them in different streams. I think this will, give fruits, in the coming year. These are the statistics for the current year. FY12. Going forward, as Maran said, there's a huge challenge ahead of us. We are talking about inorganic growth, and we are getting ourselves ready for that orbit as well now. So with respect to infrastructure, we have the additional space, which will be also converted into a fully functioning office by April or May of 2012. So we will have another 7,500 square feet of office in about 3 to 4 months time from now. That itself is showing that the company is growing into a next orbit. Then on top of that, currently our sales colleagues have committed to bring order book to a level of 101 crore for FY13. That is going to be one big achievement. Yeah. And a top line sales of 70 crores. So that will be achieved for the year FY13. And we are also going to start CMMI initiatives to improve the quality. So by end of FY13, we will be CMMI level 3 certified. I've got the mandate. I've got the mandate from the board of the company, and funds are being allocated for this particular initiative, and we're going to talk quality for the rest of this financial year. And we are also going to make some reorganization in the delivery teams as well as on the recruitment teams as well. So from now until April, you will see a lot of changes happening in the delivery teams as well as in the recruitment team, which will gear us for the next financial year. We are going to come up with a PMO office. We are going to bring in quality audits for all the projects, and I'm expecting the strength to go to 350 to 400 people by end of FY13. This will be like another one more car technology being added to this particular group. So you will see a lot of new faces when we come for the next ALM. I think it's an exciting year ahead for us. We are all going to be challenged big time, and I think we will be definitely rewarded also by the end of FY13. I'm very positive about it. I think things are looking very, very, very positive. So let us enjoy today, unwind and enjoy, and make it a great day. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Selva. I now request